Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are well. So, student, we have take out your book and classwork copy. We have already completed the book exercises of chapter number 10 and today date is 6/8/2020. We have completed the book exercises of the chapter. So student, take out your classwork copy and note down the answer from the board. So, and even student, give time to study also, because you are giving your unit test first exam. So do the preparation of the paper also. Okay, give time to study also, student. Now let's start with, we have completed book exercises. Now what is the first question? Open page number 57. Open page number 57. Write date and note down the short answer question to the following. Okay, firstly we will do short answers. So student, see what is question number 1. What are skyscrapers? What are skyscrapers? So note down. So note down the answer. What are skyscrapers? High tower like buildings high tower like buildings with houses and offices are called it skyscrapers. Okay, so student, this is your first question. What are skyscrapers? See student, in especially in the cities area, you will see there are a long tower like buildings. Okay, so these buildings are known as skyscrapers. And what you will see in this building? You will find even in this building people are living there, and even many offices you will see in these types of a buildings. And one more thing which I have already explained you when I explained you about skyscrapers, how the peoples move up and down. So they use lift. Lift are used in these buildings to move up and down. Is it clear? So, what are skyscrapers? High tower-like buildings with the houses and offices are called skyscrapers or called skyscrapers. Note down the answer. Now after that, student, what is the question number 2? Name the 3 factors based on which a house is built. So when I explained you the chapter, at that time I explained you the 3 factors on the base on which we build a house. What are that? One is climate of the place. Climate of the place. And what are the material available in that area? घर बनाने के लिए भी चीजें चाहिए होती है ना. सो व्हाट आर द मटेरियल अवेलेबल? कौन कौन सा सामान जहां आप रहते हो उस एरिया में आपको खरीदने में आसानी से मिल जाएगा. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज हाउ मच मनी ए पर्सन कैन स्पेंड. आप घर बनाने में कितना पैसा खर्चा कर सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? हाउ मच मनी ए पर्सन कैन स्पेंड. Come on, note down the second question. Question number 2. You can also note down the question from your book. Name the 3 factors. Name the 3 factors Name the 3 factors based on which a house is built. Note down the answer from the board. The types of houses the types of houses the type of house to be built depends on the following factor. Okay, first one, the climate of a place. climate of a place. Second, materials available. Third, money that a person can spend. So, name the three factors based on which a house is built. The types of houses to be built depends upon the following factor. First, the climate of the place. In this, I explain you in areas where there is a heavy rainfall. So, what type of a houses are built in that area? Stilt houses. The support of the wood is given, and on that the house is built. So what what type of the house you will build, it also depend upon the climate of the area. For example, if you observe that in the plain area, maximum house roof are, जितने भी घरों की छतें होती हैं वो कैसी होती हैं, फ्लैट होती हैं, फ्लैट रूफ होते हैं. बट इफ यू go in hill station, mountains area, in that area you will see the roof is not a flat, it is a slant, it is slant, so that the rain water and snow easily slide from the roof, जिससे कि बारिश का पानी और स्नो आसानी से स्लिप करके ग्राउंड पे गिर जाए. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन, the climate of a place. Next, second one, materials available. So in which area you are living, what materials are available, you will use that material to make the house. Third, money that a person can spend. This is the most important factor, because which type of a house you are building, it depends how much money, it depends how much money you can spend, it depends how much money you can spend. Is it clear? So this is your answer number 2. Note down. Now see what is the third question given. What are pests? Give an example. First, note down the answer. Okay. Let's try question number 3. What are what are what are pests? Okay. Give an example. So your third question is, What are pests? Give an example. Firstly, note down the answer. I have already explained you in the chapter, but firstly note down the answer, then I will give you the explanation of that. Is it clear? Answer. The unwanted visitors in our houses the unwanted visitors in our houses are called pest. Okay, some example, some examples, some examples are lizard, housefly, lizard, housefly, spider. Okay, then mosquitoes, cockroach, cockroach, extra. See student, what are pests? See, the house in which we are living, the house in which we are living, there are many unwanted visitor you will find inside your house, and these are known as pests. And some of the example of these types of a pest are lizards. You will see, छिपकली देखी है ना, उसी को लिजर्ड बोलते हैं. आपको अपने वॉल्स पे, अपने हाउस के वॉल्स पे हमें देखने को लिजर्ड मिल जाती होगी. इज इट क्लियर? इट ईट स्मॉल स्मॉल इंसेक्ट, छोटे इंसेक्ट्स को ये खाती है. तो लिजर्ड्स, हाउस फ्लाइज, मक्खियां, स्पाइडर्स, मॉस्किटो, कॉकरोचेस, एक्स्ट्रा. सो ये क्या है बेटा? ये अनवांटेड विजिटर है. क्या आप, क्योंकि ऑल दीज स्प्रेड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ए डिजीजेस. ठीक है, जैसे आप हाउस फ्लाइज को ले लो. ठीक है, दे सिट ऑन द गार्बेज इन वेरी डर्टी एरिया, दे सिट, and then when they sit on these types of area, then the germs particle get sticks to their body. ठीक है, तो जर्म्स पार्टिकल इनके बॉडी से स्टिक कर जाते हैं, चिपक जाते हैं. और अक्सर आप लोग देखे होंगे कि हाउस फ्लाई मक्खियों को तुम लोग देखे होंगे हमेशा, वेन एवर जब मदर कुक द फूड, शी ऑलवेज कवर्ड द फूड. और खाना खाते समय भी हम ध्यान देते हैं कि हाउस फ्लाइज या मक्खी हमारे खाने पे ना बैठ जाए, बिकॉज दे स्प्रेड डिजीजेस. स्पाइडर है, मॉस्किटोज है, यू नो, ड्यू टू द मॉस्किटो बाइट वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीजेस. मलेरिया है, डेंगू है, ये सब मच्छर के काटने ही से होती है ना बीमारियां. तो ये सब ऐसे अनवांटेड विजिटर हैं. वी डोंट कॉल देम, but you will find all these types of visitor inside your house. We don't call them, but we find these types of a visitor inside our house. That is the reason मैंने आप लोग को एक बात और बताई थी. क्लीननेस ऑफ द हाउस, यू मस्ट, एक पॉइंट वहां बताया था, यस, वायर मैश बताया था, याद आ रही है? डोर और विंडोज में वायर मैश लगानी चाहिए, सो टू स्टॉप द एंट्रीज ऑफ दिस टाइप्स ऑफ ए विजिटर्स, जैसे मॉस्किटोज है, हाउस फ्लाइज है, ये सब अगर वायर मैश लगी जाएगी आपके डोर विंडोज पे, देन दे कांट एंटर इनसाइड द हाउस. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स व्हिच मेक आवर हाउस क्लीन? Cleanness of a house. At that time also I explained you. Is it clear? So note down this, and after that from the new page, these are short answer question, and after completing this short answer question, then student please start from the new page. Start from the new page. Note down the first question, answer the following question, that is long answer question. How? Note down this. From the new page you will start question number E. Is it clear? From the new page, first 3 question we have completed, and then question number E, answer the following question. So these are long question and you will start from the new page. इसे नए पेज से start करोगे. चलो, note down the first question, question number E. Question number E. Answer the following. Answer the following. Question number 1. How can we keep our house clean? How can we keep our house clean? Note down the question. How can we keep our house so student, when I explain you what is a good house doesn't mean that a house is good only if it is very big. No, there are some factors or condition. By if you follow that factors in their house, it means your house is good. It means your house is good. So now he is asking, how can we keep our house clean? So note down the answer. To keep our house clean, we must, now student, we will write those point what we will do to keep our house clean. What we will do to keep our house clean. So note down. First point, sweep and dust our house daily. You observe that जब मदर डेली स्वीप द हाउस, मम्मी रोज घर में झाड़ू लगाती हैं, घर में बहुत सी चीजें रखी हैं तो उस पर धूल जम जाती है, देखा है? तो कोई क्लोथ लेके या विद एनी अदर एप्लायंसेस मदर आपकी डस्ट भी हटाती है ना, ये आप अपनी मम्मी को डेली करते हो, देखते होगे, ऐसा आपकी मम्मी घर में करती हैं. ओके, तो स्वीप एंड डस्ट आवर हाउस डेली. सेकेंड पॉइंट, keep things in their proper place. Okay, so we must keep all the things in the right place. ठीक है, मैंने ये आप लोग को बताया था. when you come back from the school, many student have habits, they throw their shoes, books, bag. That is bad manner. Even when they are playing with the toys, they throw their toys on the floor. It is not good. So keep things in their proper place. Keep things in their proper place. Okay, we will write 5 points, but space is less on the board. So student, this is the point number 1, this is the point number 2, and I will rub first and second point, and then I will write third point on the board. Okay, so you note down. First point, sweep and dust our house daily. Second, keep things in their proper place. Now in the same question, student, note down the third point. Third point, throw garbage in covered dustbin. Throw garbage in covered dustbin. What does it mean, student? It means that the जो कूड़ा जो भी आपके मम्मी साफ सफाई कर रही है, या मदर इज कटिंग द वेजिटेबल्स और कटिंग द फ्रूट्स, तो उससे जो भी कूड़ा होता है तो उसको प्रॉपर्ली क्या है, उस गार्बेज को डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए. एंड दैट डस्टबिन शुड बी कवर्ड. ठीक है, वो डस्टबिन भी कवर्ड होना चाहिए, नहीं तो उसमें भी हाउस फ्लाइज ये सब बैठेंगी. एंड दे स्प्रेड द जर्म्स. So when you are throwing garbage in the dustbin should be covered. Now note down the next point, fourth point. Use pesticides and disinfectants to control पेस्ट. ठीक है, अब तो आप सबको पेस्ट का मीनिंग क्लियर हो गया होगा. जो अनवांटेड विजिटर हमारे हाउस में आ जाते हैं उन्हीं को हम लोग पेस्ट बोलते हैं. तो देयर आर सम यूज पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड देयर आर सम ऐसी मार्केट में ऐसी दवाइयां आती हैं जिससे इनको मारा जा सकता है. इज इट क्लियर? तो यूज पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स टू कंट्रोल पेस्ट. इज इट क्लियर? सो देखते हो बहुत ज्यादा रैट्स होते हैं घर में, तो रैट एक आते हैं, रैट है या कॉकरोच हिट वाली दवाई एडवर्टाइजमेंट में भी आप लोग देखते होंगे. तो ऐसे डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स जो कि लिक्विड फॉर्म में भी आते हैं, जिससे कि इन पेट्स पे क्या किया जा सकता है, कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल मॉस्किटोज. व्हेन वी आर स्लीपिंग इन द नाइट, आपने देखा होगा कि यू आर यूजिंग गुड नाइट और ऑल आउट दिस टाइप्स ऑफ ए लिक्विड inside your house to keep yourself safe from the mosquitoes. Okay, so these are the things which are used by us. Thank you, student, and have a nice day.